Hi there, this is Abhishek, and in this video I will talk about how you can rename the Google worksheet and delete the Google worksheet. So within Google Spreadsheets you have multiple worksheets. If you have seen my previous video where I have created new worksheets, two new worksheets with the name Top 6 Iris and Iris within the existing spreadsheet. So let me go to the spreadsheet, which is this. So empty cards is basically a spreadsheet that I already have, and I created the top 6 iris containing the top 6 rows of the iris data and the full iris data, and named the worksheets as top 6 iris and iris. So within the empty cards spreadsheet we have empty cards worksheet, top 6 iris worksheet and iris worksheet. And what we will going to do is we will see how we can change the name of these worksheet, or we can delete the worksheet from this Google spreadsheet but directly from the R interface. So let's go here, and first of all let me clean this. And I have already registered the sheet with the name gs_empty cards in my previous video, so I will not going to do it again. And the next thing I need to do is getting the list of worksheets within this Google spreadsheet that I registered earlier. So in this case the function is gs_ws_ls and name of the registered sheet, which is gs_empty cards. So looks like so strangely it shows only one sheet. So let me refresh the token again, empty cards, and by registering the sheet again, gs_titles, and sheet is empty cards. So it is refreshing the stale token and sheet successfully identified. Let's see whether it gives us the sheet again. So if you also encounter the issues, probably this is the path you need to take to get the right information. So now it shows us all the 3 worksheets which are present here in the Google spreadsheet: iris, top 6 iris and empty cards. Alright, now first thing is we want to rename is, so top way to do it is gs_ws_rename. So we want to rename gs_empty card, because that is what we registered in our from. So you can specify index or you can specify the name. I find it specifying the name is good. So from is equal to top 6 iris to top 6 rows. Alright, so top 6 iris, so name is correct, top 6 rows. If I enter this, saying it is accessing the worksheet title this and successfully identified empty cards and renamed it. So let's see, now it's TOW, so that's a spelling mistake, but the idea is that it has changed the name. So TOW is, that's what I have specified. So if I want to change it again, now I need to specify TOW, that incorrect name in from, because that is a new name, to top. Hit enter. Worksheet TOW 6 rows not found. Let's see why it is saying that. Because it's still the token is still stale. So in that case we need to again register it. So that's something we need to take care, and that we are refreshing, because whatever we registered earlier will keep on showing you the same information. And now in this case, if we again get the sheets, now it is showing TOW instead of top. So our command to rename will going to work in this case. Alright, so now I think it should be top. Yeah. So that's the thing we need to keep in mind whenever we are working, that this token gs_empty cars will always going to get what was stored last if anything is changed respect to the metadata of the sheet. So here in this case, the name of the worksheet has changed, or name of the sheet, or anything related to metadata is changing, then in that way we need to refresh the token to do the further operation like rename or maybe delete, which we will going to do it next. Alright, so next thing we want to do it, let's say we want to delete this top 6 rows sheet. In that case, first of all, what we will see is what sheet's name we have. So as you can see, it still have TOW because it token need to be refreshed, or Google Sheet need to be refreshed. So I am refreshing it by again assigning the same Google Sheet. And now I want gs_ws gs_ws delete. And in that case, we need to specify the gs_empty cars, and then the second thing is specifying worksheet is equal to, so that is the second. So this time let's use the index number. Let's say 2 is something we want to delete, and that will help us making sure that whether the index is starting from 0, 1, 2 or it is 1, 2, 3. In this case, I am assuming that index is starting from first, second, third, and it will going to delete the second sheet. If I enter this, alright, so it is saying worksheet top 6 rows deleted. So that has a confirmation that index number here in this case starts from 1. 1 is assigned to empty cards, 2 is assigned for top 6 rows, and third is assigned for items. And as I said that I want to remove the or delete the second worksheet by specifying the index number, it has deleted the top 6 rows. Now let's confirm this into the sheet, and here in this case the sheet has been removed. So that's the two things I wanted to cover, and some of their technical details related to refreshing the stale token and again registering the sheet to get the right information. And I'll meet you in the new video with a new topic.